guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are having a look at the Air Pro 4s from AMG. Now this might be the future of the AirPods from Apple. They might be releasing a model that might be cheaper than the AirPods Pros, basically mixing the AirPods 2s and the AirPods Pros together into a new version. So I'm really excited to check this out today and see how good they're gonna look, how good they're gonna perform, and Apple might be releasing a model very similar to this one or maybe exactly the same. So drop a link down below in the description where you guys can check these out. These are going to cost $40, which is actually not bad. I'll have a discount code down below in the description which will give you a 15% off. The discount code in the description is a limited time offer. Once it expires, it's going to get back to 10%. The discount code in the description is going to work on any products in their shop, either the AirPods 2s, the AirPods Pros, or simply the Air Pro 4. Now before I actually unbox the Air Pros 4s, I want to say that I got a second pair right here to give away to one of you guys. To enter into this giveaway is really simple. If you're interested, all you have to do is simply be subscribed to the channel, give a big thumbs up to this video, and comment below hashtag giveaway and tell me why you want it. And if you want, you can comment also below your Instagram account. Now shipping time is going to take about a month or two. For me, I was lucky, I got it within a month. And the first thing you'll see once you receive your package is the brand new design of the box. You're going to get the AirPods case in the front of the box, which will be embossed into it. On the sides of the box, you're not going to get any Apple logos or trademarks, but on the right side of the box, there's a code bar right here. This might be a reference number for them. In the back of the box, you're going to have the charging case and some specification of the product. With the Air Pro 4s, you're going to get Bluetooth 5.0. You're going to get name change remapping, GPS positioning, the real AirPods 2 logos, audio sharing, and one of the best features I like about this product is volume adjustments. This product is going to get volume adjustments same as the i600 TWS. Bluetooth range is going to be about 50 meters, which is pretty good. As for the battery of these Air Pro 4s, they're going to last up to 4 hours with an additional 15 hours with the case. So let's check these out, see how good they are, see how good they're going to look. This is going to be the future of the Apple AirPods. And the first thing you'll see is the Pro 4 instructions. This is a little package for the user manual, which will be inside the package, which will say Pro 4 instruction. Now if you do open it, on the first page you're going to get the specification of the product, and then you're going to get some instructions on how to pair to your device, and finally some precautions and some safety guidelines. The next thing you'll see will be the lightning cable to USB-A, basically identical to the AirPods 2s. Finally, we're going to have the Air Pro 4 minis, as you can see right here. They're going to be wrapped in a plastic to prevent it to be scratched. Now I've got to say, they are really small compared to the AirPods 2s and the AirPods Pros. And of course, we're going to have the same identical LED in the front, and then the metal hinge in the back, and of course the pairing button. And on this product, you're not going to get any engravings on the case or on the AirPods, but for me personally, I don't care about the engravings. What I care is the build quality and the sound quality, because the engravings and the Apple logos on the box are not going to affect the sound quality of the product. So let's remove the plastic. That's for the lid. For the case, there we go. Now one thing I want to quickly mention about the Air Pro 4s is that the one I have here today is an early version of the Air Pro 4s from AMG. The ones they're currently selling is the latest model. So in this early version, if you do open up the lid, you're going to get the AirPods 2's design when it comes to the AirPods on the top. And if you do remove them from the case, you can see that they got the same short stem as the AirPods Pros, and the same charging mechanism with the chrome ring and the white plastic. Now these are going to have blue and red LED because these are the early versions. The ones you're going to get right now from their store are not going to have any blue or red LEDs, and they're going to look slightly different. As you can tell, they do have the AirPods Pros vents. This is a photo, and here's another one. So just to quickly compare, these are the Air Pro 4s and these are the AirPods 2s. You can tell that the size of the case has been reduced, although the design is very similar from the front and also from the back. Of course, they're both going to have the same charging mechanism via lightning cable. The only difference between these two is that the size of the case has been reduced. Here's another comparison between the Air Pro 4s and the AirPods Pros. You can tell that it is basically half the size of the AirPods Pros. To connect to your phone is really simple. All you have to do is simply open up the lid and take up the AirPods, and then you're going to have the pop-up animation. You can close up the lid. Once you receive the pop-ups, can say AirPods, simply tap on connect. you don't need to hold the pairing button on the back. Now in the latest model, it might be the same pairing process as the AirPods 2s. So here we've got the battery percentage of the AirPods, but also of the case, and the name has been renamed to Pro 4. Tap on done. You can tell that we do have the real AirPods 2 logos, but also audio sharing feature. Simply tap on share audio, and then you can connect to a second AirPods. If you do go into Bluetooth settings, you'll be able to change the name of the product. You can also change the double tap function to previous track and next track. Unfortunately, this model is not going to get the ear detections, but once again, for 40 bucks, it's not going to be as good as the more expensive models. But one thing I like about this product is that you'll get the volume adjustment feature. So right now, let's test out sound quality, see how good they are. Let's see how good they sound. So yeah, the sound quality of these AirPro 4s are pretty good. They're very similar to the i500 and the i600 TWS from MGET. I would say that they're about 85% as good as them. They've got a lot of bass, a lot of clearness in the audio, but if you compare these to the more expensive i600 TWS, obviously these are not going to be as good, but they're going to be similar. But you're going to pay $20 less than the i600 TWS, considering you do have the same features as the other model. Now the build quality of the AirPods and also of the case is pretty good, really high quality of plastic. It doesn't feel cheap at all. When I open up the case and I close it, it does feel quite premium. The weight of the product is probably 40 grams and plus, which is pretty good, but I honestly think that this is a great product for those who likes the AirPods 2s but who don't like how long the stem is. And this is for sure an amazing product, especially for the size that it is. Really compact, even more compact than the AirPods 2s, which will be moving more compact, easier to put in your backpack or in your small pocket. So right now I'm going to test out the tap controls. If you want to play or pause, all you have to do is simply tap once, and then as you can see, the music plays once again and the music will pause. If I do double tap on the right side, it's going to go to the next song, and if I do double tap on the other side, it's going to bring back to the previous song. As for volume adjustments, it's really simple to do. All you have to do is simply tap 3 times, as you can see right here, 1, 2, 3 on the pods, and as you can see, the volume is increasing once again. Now the volume does increase if you do tap it on the right side, and if you tap 3 times on the left side, it's going to decrease the volume. Let's try it out. 1, 2, 3, and then as you can see, it does decrease. Works perfectly. So if you do lose your AirPods 4s somewhere in your house, you'll be able to find them, locate them, simply go and Find My iPhone app, and then as you can see, we do have the AirPods logos on the map. So yes guys, these are the AirPro 4s, the mini AirPods 2s clones slash AirPods Pro clones. So far, these are really good. Sound quality is definitely top notch. 85% as good as the i600 TWS. A lot of bass, a lot of clearness. I really like the design, the size, and the compactness of these. The main reasons why I like these over the AirPods 2s is because of the size, the compactness of the case of the AirPods themselves. They have the same comfortness as the AirPods 2s, so if you like the AirPods 2s, you're gonna like these. The second reason why I like these over the AirPods 2s is because I do get the double tap and triple tap function. I can play or pause, I can switch to the next or previous song, and I can increase and decrease the volume. So once again, I'll drop a link down in the description where you guys can check these out, but this is a really good design, probably the future of the AirPods from Apple. Who knows? But yeah, it's a really nice design. I really like it. You know, it's a great mix of the AirPods 2s and the AirPods Pros clones. Build quality is going to be really good. We do have the metal hinge in the back. It is not a plastic hinge, which is good for long-term use. But once again, I'll drop a link down in the description where you guys can check these out for $40. I think it's a good deal with the extra 15% off on any products on their website. Discount code is going to expire soon. Not sure when. It's going to get back to 10% instead of 15%. Also, if you're interested into this giveaway, I'll have the rules in the description of the video. If this video gets to 10,000 views, I'll be announcing the winner of these AirPro 4s. Make sure to share this video. This will be really helpful, and hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you did, make sure to give a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I've got more videos coming soon to your way, but other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next time. Peace out.